If you want to connect your PS5 controller to your PC with Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to get your DualSense working on Windows, whether you want the most stable wired setup or the convenience of Bluetooth. I'll also show you the Steam settings you need to check so your controller is properly recognized and ready for games. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming setup guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the recommended method, which is wired. This is the best option if you want the most stable connection with the lowest chance of input lag or disconnects. To do this, take a USB-C to USB-A cable or a USB-C to USB-C cable if your PC supports it, and plug your PS5 controller into your computer. Once it's connected, Windows should automatically detect it. You usually do not need to install anything extra. After that, open Steam. In most cases, Steam will immediately recognize the DualSense controller and prepare it for use in supported games. If you want a wireless setup instead, you can connect the PS5 controller through Bluetooth. To begin, open your Windows settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it's not, switch it on first, so your PC can discover new devices. Then click Add Device and choose Bluetooth from the menu. Now, pick up your PS5 controller and press and hold the Create button, which is located to the left of the touchpad, and the PS button in the center at the same time. Keep holding them until the light bar starts flashing. That flashing light means the controller is in pairing mode. Back on your PC, you should see a device called Wireless Controller appear in the Bluetooth list. Click it to connect, and after a moment, your controller should be paired successfully. Once the controller is connected, the next important step is making sure Steam is configured correctly. Open Steam, then go to the top left corner and click Steam, then Settings, and then Controller. Inside the Controller section, look for Controller Settings. Here, make sure PlayStation controller support is enabled. This setting helps Steam properly identify your PS5 controller and unlock the correct input support for your games. If you like, you can also customize additional options in this menu, such as vibration settings and even the light color, depending on what Steam allows for your setup. If you are using Steam input-compatible games, this configuration can make a big difference. Some games will work right away, while others may need Steam input turned on so the controller buttons map correctly. If something doesn't feel right, come back to the controller settings and double-check that PlayStation support is active. Also, if you are using Bluetooth and the controller does not show up immediately, turn Bluetooth off and on again, or put the controller back into pairing mode and try reconnecting. A quick tip, if you want the most reliable experience, especially for competitive gaming, wired is usually the better choice. But if you prefer a clean desk and no cable, Bluetooth is perfectly fine for most casual gaming sessions. Either way, once Steam detects the controller, you're ready to play. And that's it. You now know how to connect a PS5 controller to PC with Steam using both wired and Bluetooth methods, plus how to make sure Steam recognizes it properly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, setup tips, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.